Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach the concept of drifting in a Toyota Camry. First, understand that traditional drifting is designed for rear-wheel drive vehicles. A front-wheel drive car like a Camry uses its front wheels for both power and steering, making sustained oversteer challenging. We'll explore the dynamics involved and what might be possible. To initiate a slide in a front-wheel drive car, you'll need to understand weight transfer. Quickly shifting weight to the front can lighten the rear, reducing traction. A brief, controlled application of the handbrake can also help break rear wheel grip. Remember, this requires a very specific, safe location and careful execution. Once a slide begins, steering input is vital to guide the car. However, with a front-wheel drive vehicle, applying throttle will primarily pull the front wheels, often correcting the slide rather than sustaining it. This is a key difference from rear-wheel drive drifting. Precise, gentle inputs are essential to maintain any semblance of control. Always remember that attempting these maneuvers can be dangerous. It's crucial to practice in a large, empty, and private area, far from other vehicles or obstacles. A Toyota Camry is not designed for drifting, so approach these concepts with extreme caution and respect for your vehicle's capabilities. Safety is always paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.